Hi, today I'm inviting you to think about what you really need in your life, especially in your business. Now, we live in a society where we're bombarded every day by organizations trying to sell us what we think we want. But actually what we need is much less. Let me give you a practical example. Maybe you have a lovely office, but do you really need a lovely office in a good location? Or is that your vanity speaking? Do the clients really care? The reason why I say that and why it's so important is that having a nice office increases your overheads enormously. Your break even now is much higher. It adds more pressure on you. A nice laptop may be fantastic, but do you really need all the processing power and the sleekest of laptops? You can buy perhaps a phenomenal refurbished laptop or a computer or a car. Often the things that we bring on board in times of abundance, the nice phone, the great cameras, the fancy furniture and so forth, the software, are things that actually slow us down because we need to look after them, protect them, maintain them, upgrade them. So today I invite you really to think about what is the minimum that you need. What is the you need versus want? And if you can trim away all the things that want, all the things that distract and slow you down, you may just find that life becomes that much easier.